Hello and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week. Every Monday at 8 a.m. we spotlight YouTube channels you'll learn from and Etsy stores we know that you'll enjoy. All the channels, shops, and Facebook pages introduced this week have clickable links below the video. If you'd like to be featured, subscribe to the Facebook groups of the UCC members. Each one you subscribe to increases your chance to be featured, as one site is randomly chosen from each list every week. Don't forget to like and share this video. The first choice of the week, selected by Robin Espich, is GedARTCreations by Colleen Geddert. I love to upcycle anything and everything and make it beautiful. I have a huge passion for all things paper crafting and junk journaling and find great pleasure in sharing with all my YouTube subscribers. The second choice of the week, selected by Teri S, is Darcy's Misadventures with Mixed Media by Darcy Erickson. I started my channel on my birthday in 2019. I was at the beginning of discovering what it was I was passionate about after raising my two boys, now 20 and 25. After reading The Artist's Way, I found my way to mixed media and then, through my aunt, junk journals. I love that I can intermingle the two. On my channel, I just try stuff. I'm often asking myself, what if I do this? And play around and see what happens. I sell journals and supplies in my Etsy store, Eclectic Junk Journals, and plan to add original jelly plate prints soon. The UCC founders are Robin Espich, founder, Teri S, co-founder. Thank you for joining us with this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week. We will see you again Monday at 8 a.m. with the next UCC YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week and even more excellent YouTube channels and Etsy stores.